Welcome to GAYAS classes for mathematics. Today I am going to start very important technique and important topic, you can say, that is properties of definite integral, part number 21, class 12 math. Let us see. So here first point is what? Question 0 to 2a f of x dx equal to 0 if f of 2a minus x is what? Minus f of x. So this is a properties of definite integral. It's 0 to 2a function x given. This will be 0 when f of 2a minus x is equal to what? Minus f of x. So suppose we are taking one example. Suppose this is integration of 0 to pi and we are finding cos x d. This we have to find. Okay. Now you can check here f of 2a means here pi and x is what? X. So f of 2a minus x is what? That is f of pi minus x. So f of pi minus x will be what? Cos of pi minus x. So cos pi minus x is what? That is cos in second quadrant negative. So we'll get what? Minus cos x. And minus cos x what? So cos x is given f of x. So this is what? Minus f of x. So f of minus x is what here? Minus f of a. So we can write direct by the properties of definite integral 0 to pi and cos x dx equal to simply 0. So now you can check, suppose I am taking LHS, integration of 0 to pi cos a dx. So you know this is the definite integral. So first you find integration of this, then upper limit pi, lower limit 0. So integration of cos x is what? So you know integration is just reverse process of derivative. So derivative of sin x is cos x. So cos integration will be sin x. So integration of cos x is what? Sin x. And here upper limit is pi and lower limit is 0. So we can write what? Sin pi minus. And this is what? Sin 0. So sin pi 0 and this is equal to what? 0. So this is proved, right? So integration of 0 to pi cos a t is equal to 0. Why? Because here integration, that is f of pi minus x equal to minus f of x. So 0 to pi cos a dx is what? Direct 0. Here question number 2, that is the next property is what? See. So here properties of definite integral is what? It is minus a to a f of x d. So upper limit is a, lower limit is minus. Minus a to a f of d is equal to twice 0 to a f of d. If f is an even function, or you can say f is an even function. Even function is what? That is f of minus x equal to f of x. So if any even function is given, then minus a to a f of d is, we can write twice 0 to a f of d. Let us see one example. So suppose I am taking here integration of here suppose minus 1 to 2 and it is given what? X square dx, right? So here minus 1 to 2 x square dx. Now you check if this function is even function or not. So if we will find integrate, that is function of minus x. The function of minus x will be what? That is x square. So this is what? F of x. So f of minus x is equal to f of x. So this is the even function. So if this is even function, then we can write minus 1 to 2 x square dx. So here not minus a to a. That is what? Minus 1 to 1. So here minus 1 to 1. X square dx. This equal to what? Twice 0 to a. That is 0 to 1. And f of x is what? That is x square. So this is x square dx. So we can solve this here. So integration of x square is what? X cube upon 3. And here upper limit is 1, lower limit is minus 1. So we put upper limit, we get what? 1 by 3. And when we put lower limit, then minus 1 by 3. So we'll get what? 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, that is 2 by 3. And when we put RHS, here RHS is what? 2 into integration of x square is what? That x cube by 3. Upper limit 1, lower limit 0. So we will get what? 2 into. This is 1 cube 1. So 1 by 3 and minus 2 into what? 0. So we will get what? Simply 2 by 3. So here LHS equal to what? RHS. Okay. So simple technique is what? Integration of minus a to a f of x dx is equal to what? Twice 0 to a f it is. When the given function is what? Even function. Even function is what? F of minus x equal to f of a. So first you check the given function, it is even function, then minus a to a always will be what? 0. So here one example, minus 1 to 1 x square dx. So minus 1 to 1 square. So first you check this is even or not. Yes, x square is even function because f of minus x is x square equal to f of a. So minus 1 to 1 x square dx, that we can write twice 0 to 1 x square dx. Now we can check result of this and result of this, both will be same. So here x square integration is what? S cube by 3 and this is upper limit 1, lower limit minus 1. Here 2 is 2. Okay, so here upper limit put 1 and lower limit minus 1. So 1 cube is 1, so 1 by 3 minus, and again x minus 1 to the power 3 minus 1. So minus of minus 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 is what? 2 by 3. And here RHS 2 into. 2 into what? 0 to 1 x square. So integration of square is what? X cube by 3. Upper limit 1, lower limit 0. So 2 into 1 by 3 minus, that is 2 into 0 by 3 is what? 0. So 2 by 3 minus 0, 2 by 3. So here LHS equal to RHS, both is correct. Now see the question third. The question third is what? Minus a to a f of x dx equal to 0. If f is an odd function, then f of minus x equal to minus a, then result will be what? 0. So minus a to a f is always 0 if the function is odd. That is f of minus x equal to minus f of it. So let us one example. Suppose your example is what? Integration of minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 and it is sin x dx. Right? We have to find this. Now you see here minus a to a. So we have to check this function is odd function or even function. So you know it is given f of x is what? That is sin x. And f of minus x is what? Sine of minus x. So this is sine of minus x is what? Sine of x. Because sine of minus, that in the fourth quadrant, sine will be negative. So this is what? Minus sine x. So here f of minus x equal to what? Minus f of it. So we can write what? So integration of minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 sine x dx equal to 0. Now you can check LHS. So integration of sine x is what? So you know that is derivative of cos x is what? Minus sine x. So derivative of cos x is minus sine x. So integration of sine x is what? Minus cos x. So this is what? Minus cos x. Upper limit is pi by 2 and lower limit is what? Minus pi by 2. So when we put the value of upper limit and lower limit. So upper limit minus cos pi by 2. And here minus minus plus. So this is what? That is plus, and this is what? Cos of minus pi by 2. So you know this is minus cos pi by 2 and cos of minus theta, that is cos in fourth quadrant is what? Positive. So this is simply cos pi by 2, right? And here minus cos pi by 2 plus cos pi by 2 is what? 0, and this is what? RHS. Okay. So integration of minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 sin x dx is 0. Why? Because this is the odd function. So this is the property minus a to a f of dx equal to 0 if the function is odd, that is f of minus x equal to minus f of x, then our answer will be what? 0.